Hello guys, my name is Timothy Mrewa Joseph and I welcome you to my YouTube channel where I teach mathematics. In today's lesson, I am going to teach you the conversion from base 10 to any other base. This involves successful division of the base 10 by the required base, and at each step of division, the remainders are recorded including 0 until the division is completed, that is the last quotient being 0. And then the solution is the upward collection of all the remainders from the last to the first number. So I have prepared 3 examples in which I'm going to use to explain this to you. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the lesson. Example number 1 says convert 124 to a number in base 8. 124 is in base 10, and we are to convert this into a number in base 8. So to do this, we put this in a column. So let's take a line. Okay. Then we write down the number 124 is in base 10, we know. So we divide by 8. So let's begin the division. 12 divided by 8 is 1 time, so we have 4 left. And then 4, this becomes 44, so we should have 5 remainder 4. Yes, we are going to have 5 remainder 4, which means with 124 is divided by 8 is 15 times remainder 4. Okay, remainder 4. We have the 4 here. We want it to be written, so let's write it here. Remainder 4. And then we continue again. 15 divided by 8. Let's put this in a column. It goes 1 time, 1. So it is 1 time, but we are going to have a remainder of just 7. Remainder of 7. So we write it again, remainder 7, and then we can rule another line. Okay, so we divide again by 8. 8 into 1, it is not possible. 1 into 8, 8 into 1 is not possible. So we write down 0 here, and then the remainder now, our remainder is going to be this 1. So we bring it here. So we are done with this. And then our answer is upward collection, that is from down to the top here. That is going to be our answer. So let's take an arrow to show or illustrate this. So from here to the top. So these numbers will be our answer, that is the remainders. Okay. So we can say that we can write 124 in base 10 is equal to 174 in base 8. So since it's in base 8, we shouldn't have any value that will be greater than 8 or equal to 8. And as you can see, we have just 1, 7, and 4. Okay, let's take the second example. Example 2 says, express 437 in base 10 in base 5. So we do the same thing that we did in example 1. So we're going to divide this thoroughly again by 5. So we have, so let's pull our line again, put in the column. So we have 437. We are going to convert this to base 5. So we divide this by 5 thoroughly. So this, let's pick this as 43. 5 and 43 is 8 times, remainder 3. If you put 3 here, it becomes 7. So 37 rather, and then 5 into 37, it is how many times? 7 times remainder what? 2. So we should have a remainder of 2 here. So we write it down. And then we continue again until we get to 0. So 87 divided by 5. So let's pick 8 here. 8, how many fives do we have? 8 is just one time. It remains 3. 3 comes here, it becomes 37. So we have uh, 7 again, remainder 2. So we write it here. The remainder should be written down 2. Okay. And then we continue again until we get to 0, which is going to be the last. 17 divided by 5 is 3 times. Then we are going to have a remainder of 0, of 2 again, as usual. So we have 2 as a remainder. And then we say 3 divided by 5, which is, it will not, it's possible, but in this case then, so we will say the answer is 0 here, since 3 cannot just go into 5, yes, directly like that. So 1, 2, 3, it cannot just divide 5 directly like that. And then we will write 0 and transfer this 3 here as the remainder. So we write 0, and then the remainder is going to be the number 3, which cannot divide 5 directly. Yes, yes. Bring it down here. And then the upward collection is going to be our answer again. So let's use arrow to illustrate this from down to the top. Yes, we pick on the numbers. So we can say again, so we need to erase this. So 437, which is in base 10, is equal to 3, 2, 2, 2. In what base? Base 5. So that's all. And then the last example, convert 89, which is in base 10 as well, to a number in base 2. So we do the same thing by dividing this 89 by 2 until we get to the last digit, which is going to be 3, and that is going to be our answer. So let's put this in a column. Okay. Okay. So we have 89 is the number here, and then we are dividing thoroughly by 2 because we have to convert to base 2. So 89 divided by 2, this is 4, 4, remainder 1, right? So our remainder here is 1, okay? We continue again, we use 2 to divide. In 44 divided by 2 is 2, 2. So, and then our remainder here is 0. There's nothing that remains. So we write 0 as a remainder. So we continue. So again, how many 2's do we have in 22 is 11. So again, there is no remainder. So we write 0 here. We use 2 to divide 11. How many 2's do we have in 11? We should have 5. And then at this time, we have a remainder of 1. So we write it down. And then we divide again by 2. How many 2's do we have in 5 is 2 times. We are going to have a remainder of what? 1. So we write it down. And 2 divided by 2 is 1. The remainder here should be 0 again. So we have 0, and then 1 into 2 is not possible. So we write 0 here and transfer this one here. The remainder is going to be 1 now. Okay, so let's try to quickly extend this line. We need to extend this line. Okay, fine. Right. So our answer, it is going to be the upward collection, that is of this remainder. So we start from the down here to the top as usual. So this is how to convert a number in base 10 to any other base. So we can say that 89, which is in base 10. So let's write this here. 89, which is in base 10, is equal to 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. How many ones? No, just 2 ones. Yes, let's not make mistake. 1, 1, then 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1 in base 2. You can see. This is the end of the lesson. I hope you have learned how to convert a base 10 number to any other base from this video lesson. Please do like this video lesson, make comments about it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and then turn on the bell, the notification bell, for you to receive more updates of my lesson. Thank you for taking your time to watch the video. See you again. Goodbye.